My American Wife Guessing Phrases in the Irish Language, Part 16. Hey honey, time for a phrase in the Irish language. This one's real simple.
Slante.
Oh, so close.
What is it?
Sláinte.
Sláinte.
Sláinte. What does sláinte mean? You've heard of it
See you
before.
later.
No.
Sláinte.
That's slán, so that's actually pretty
Oh,
close.
okay, that's why.
That's pretty
That
close.
would be why.
Okay, but you've heard sláinte before. I'll give you a hint.
What is
It's
it?
what you say when you clean glasses together.
I don't know.
What you say when you clean your glass together?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wait, cheers as in thank you or cheers as in clanging?
Cheers as in.
Wait, cheers as in like cheers, thank you, like Europeans say, or cheers as in like toast?
I don't know. I think cheers as in cheers. Cheers.
So thank you.
Good job, you